B-Body guys, y'all been getting blessed. Let's bless y'all a little more with this dark cherry metallic 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has a set of 22-inch Culture Classic reps. And remember guys, they always can be purchased with or without the wheels. This one has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor panels are solid. Lower doors are solid. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. In the past week, we done showed y'all the trifecta. The black one, the dark gray green, and here we have the dark cherry metallic. So y'all drop down in the comments and y'all let me know y'all favorite one. This the one I would take home, guys, the dark cherry metallic. I love the black and the dark gray green, but there's something about this color. You know, that was basically built on the Caprice 9C1 police package. They got the LT1 engine from the Camaro and the Corvette. An absolute beautiful and comfortable interior. If you ever rode in one of these guys, it's absolutely amazing. The body on frame, rear wheel drive combination, it's something to be had. Cars nowadays just don't drive like these. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side, she has minor surface, but it's all solid metal. She can be knocked down and treated. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in excellent condition and she has all the options. Power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console. Check out the SS embroidered headrests. Seats nice and clean. Floor mounted shifter. Headliner. Let's check out that dash. We'll show the mileage on the startup. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the LT1 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Mileage reached just over 38,000. Y'all make sure y'all go visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. And that's what we call running like a sewing machine, guys. Don't miss out on her. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.